Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets. Now, we're only going to be using one account on My Lead Gen Secrets. Most people that use My Lead Gen Secrets have multiple accounts, usually 3, 5, some people even get 10 or 7, or whatever. They get a ton of accounts, but we're only going to use one account because I want to kind of show you when you first walk in the door, it's not a huge investment. And I'm just trying to show you it's not a huge investment. And you promote this product here, $25 business, and get good results. All right, guys, so that's what I'm doing. I'm showing you what I'm doing and the results I'm getting. You might get better or worse results than me. I can't promise you anything, but this is working for me, guys, and I'm sure it'll work for you. I'm not doing anything special. All right, guys, so if you're interested in following along, links in the description. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so first off, I want to speak on why I like promoting a $25 business, and essentially the main reason why I like promoting it is because of its affiliate system. Its affiliate system is 80% recurring income. That's absolutely insanity, guys. For every $25 somebody buys on my affiliate link, I get $20 of it. For every $125 somebody spends on my affiliate link, I get $100 of it. For every dollar anybody spends on my affiliate link, I get 80 cents of it. All right, so 80% income for whatever product I'm promoting. But the $25 business has 2 products that are recurring, so these are recurring products. You get paid every month, and it's still 80%. Listen, anybody that knows affiliate marketing knows that 80% is unheard of. Well, it's not unheard of, but it's rare, and when it's rare, it's really good. All right, 80% recurring, that's a unicorn territory. Like, that just don't happen. All right, and this is the only product I've seen even get close to that. So this is the product to promote right here, guys. And it's a money-making product, which most people are interested in. So give this a shot, guys. So we're going to look at our results here real quick. We're going to refresh the page to show you real results, guys. Just, show you real results. So, because all these numbers are easy to change. So let's refresh. Alright, guys, it looked like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine, not a big deal at all. So what I want to speak on now is how we do this. Alright, so once you finish my video or you watch my video or whatever, it's going to be a link in the description. It's going to say all-in-one $25 business or something like that. It's going to be like step 1 or something. You click on that, and once you click on that, you load up the video. This will pop up. This page will pop up. It talks about $25 business, all this and that. You get 80% recurring income, how much money you can make, and all that good stuff. Get 2 sales a week and get this much money a year, stuff like that. Right? It just talk about all the things and stuff. And once you click on this video, you click on yes, I want in or whatever. Whenever you want to, you can look at all this page, look at the videos and all that good stuff. It should take you to another video that's about 2 minutes long, fully explaining what you're purchasing. All right, fully explaining it, because we don't want you to rush into this, not knowing what you're doing. I want you to really understand what you're doing here, guys. So once you do that, though, you'll get to a page, and you'll log in. You'll get to a page like something like this. You click on the affiliate zone here. Click on the affiliate zone, and it should take you to this. You can look at that, tell you, about the affiliates and stuff like that. And what you got to do here, guys, you sign up for your affiliate link program. Once you click on this and sign up, do all the things you need to sign up for, you're going to log into the SoundCart, and you're going to come to this page here. Now, this is the page right here. You get your affiliate link, guys. It all-in-one $25 business is the link we're going to use, guys. So once you do that, you want to go to My Lead Gen Secrets, log in, do all the things you need to do to get an account. And you should end up on a page that looks something like this. Click on mailing system. You click that, and you type in an email. I'm personally just going to use the email I already use. As you can see, once you get a couple of emails, you can just use old emails you don't use before. It's not a real big deal. I'm gonna load that in. But if you're strapping on emails, like you have no idea what emails to use, since you bought the $25 business, guys, what you could do for an email very easily is go to the HBA Premium. If you got HBA Premium, you got something called the Immersion Magic Content Machine. You basically just ask it to make you an email promoting the $25 bid. Make me a click bait email promoting the all in 25 business digital. Once you pipe that in, load it up. Take about a second here to load up an email for you. Boom, you got an email. See that? Attention. These need a complete digital business solution. Got all packaged at $25. Blah 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 blah. Introducing all the companies in the system. Get everything you need. Make it business order. Make it without breaking the bank. Save money and time. Comprehensive business. Get all in one 25. Click here to find out more. Blah blah blah. You see that email real quick. Very quick email. And you can just plug it in just like that. Or you can copy the email I already wrote myself. So you can go with that. You just pause the video right there. So once you do that, put your link in, all that good stuff, right? You know how to put your link in. You click on that, put your link, hit the $25 business link because it promotes the recurring commissions, guys. And that's $20 recurring commissions and $100 recurring commission. To promote both of those, that's the one I use. All right, guys. So anyway, preview, make sure your link works, send an email, boom, boom. Perfect timing, send an email around time people check emails, you got a better chance of them checking it. So yeah, that's all there is to it, guys. Very simple, very easy to do. And once you got enough emails in the system, it only take you about 30 seconds every day to do. Guys, I make about $500 a month doing this. All right, so far, and it's slowly building every month because I get more sales and more people stay in, so I get more sales. I make more money. So yeah, man, this is worth doing. You save a lot of money. You save a lot of money. You make a lot of money doing this, and so on and so forth. So yeah, if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. All the links in the description below. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.